Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Open the phone app and go to Recents to change the call log display. Grant contacts permission if the phone asks for it during setup. Update the phone app from the Play Store if you cannot find the display option. Backup contacts briefly using Google Sync to prevent accidental changes. Restart the phone after updating to ensure new settings appear. Keep power above 20% to avoid interruptions while changing settings. Tap the three-dot menu inside Recents and open Call History display. Choose Group by Contact to merge multiple numbers under one contact entry. Choose Show All Calls to list every call as a separate entry instead. Toggle Show Contact Photos if you prefer visual identification in logs. Use the search icon to verify grouping for a specific contact quickly. Changes apply immediately and do not require clearing call data or resetting the phone. If changes do not apply, clear phone app cache in settings to reset temporary data. Update ColorOS system software to access the latest phone app features. Reboot the device after updates to finalize the new display behavior. If the option still remains missing, open Play Store and reinstall the phone app where possible. As a final step, contact Realme support for model-specific guidance or visit an authorized service center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.